God bless you, my viewer out there. I'm here again to bring to you my second episode of my message of the secret of success. Like I said earlier in my first episode, I talked about procrastination. Procrastination is one of the things that have made a lot of people to end up in their vision. They could not get to the end of their purpose. I said, stop procrastinating. If you must be successful in your aim or in your purpose, you must stop procrastinating. Whatever it is that you are in, whatever idea God gave to you, go into it immediately. Don't delay, don't waste time. Don't say tomorrow. Start immediately, because why? Your generation is waiting for you. Procrastination have held a lot of people to destroy their dreams and to destroy their visions. Procrastination have destroyed many people's dreams and visions in life. But today I'm here to tell you, if you want to be successful in life, stop procrastinating. Take action immediately and go into that idea that God gave to you. Go into that purpose that God has given to you, or go into that your skin or your aim. Before you know it, you become a leader in it, you become great in it. So another step to the way of success is never stop learning. A lot of people never want to learn. You need to continue learning. In the journey of success, you must continue learning. Never stop learning. Read books, acquire skill, go for training so that you can be an expert in your field, so that you can be an expert in your skill, or you can be an expert in your purpose in life. There is a need for you to continue learning. There is a need for you to continue training. And if you don't have any skill that you are doing, acquire one. That can lead you to become successful in life. And the next step that I mentioned is be focused. A lot of people don't have focus in their visions. A lot of people don't have focus in their dreams. Focus is another step to the road of success. If you must be successful, you must be focused. Do not mind the challenges that may come your way. Don't give up in the road of the journey of your success. The road may be rough, it may be tough, but I promise you, at the end, you'll be glad that you never give up. Don't mind the challenges, don't mind the trouble, don't mind the trials. Stay focused on your skin. Stay focused on your purpose. Keep on pursuing that goal. Keep on pursuing that visions. And at the end, you will come out successful. And another step to the road of success: hard work. Hard work is another dimension that can help you to be successful in life. You need to work very hard in your skin. You need to work very hard in that purpose of yours. You need to work very hard in that aim that you are in, so that you can come out successful. Don't be lazy. Go out, wake up the time you're supposed to wake up. Don't be sleeping when your mates are running ahead of you. You need to put away laziness aside. Hard work profits a lot. And the Bible said, whatever your hand finds to do, say, do it. For even God does not embrace laziness. Our Father is a hard-working man. He never sleeps nor slumber. His eyes is open 24 hours of the day, watching over us. So you must be hard-working in that aim that you are, in that purpose that you are pursuing, in that vision that you are pursuing. You must be a hard-working person for you to be successful in life. And I hope that these few steps that I brought to you have made a lot of meaningful things to you. And I pray that you should make use of this step, and you will see that at the end you will amount to greater success in life. Please share to bless other people, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are people who needed to hear this message so that they can be successful in life. And as you do, may the Lord bless you in Jesus' name. Bye. Bye.